CCBC Online Learning welcomes you to the Digital Accessibility video series, Creating an Accessible Word Document. This caption video follows the 4 accessibility themes of online learning's CARE approach. Caption everything. Alt text for images. Reader support. Easy to read. We'll correct common accessibility problems in the activity, CARE approach, incorrect formatting document. You may watch the demonstration once and then repeat it while working in your own copy. The activity is in the Supporting Resources column for this video on the CCBC is Breaking Barriers with Digital Accessibility website. I'm using the desktop version of Word. Commands may appear in different locations in Word for the web or another version. Run the accessibility checker. Select Accessibility, Investigate in the lower left corner of the status bar. You can also open the Review tab and select Check Accessibility. The Accessibility Assistant opens on the right. The checker will identify contrast issues, images without alternative text, and the table without a header row. It will not detect every problem. The title, headings, and lists look correct visually, but if styles have not been applied, the document will not contain the structure assistive technologies need. Improve the main text style. The easy-to-read theme begins with readable text. Normal style is the default style for all text you type in a new Word document. On the Home tab, right-click Normal in the Styles group and select Modify. Choose Arial, 12 points, and a dark text color black text 1 darker 15%. Select Format, and then Paragraph. Keep the text left aligned. Set line spacing to 1.5 and use paragraph spacing 6 points before and after. This will allow space before and after the paragraph, so you don't have to add black spaces. Apply the change only to this document and select OK twice. Apply the title and heading styles. Built-in styles support the Reader Support theme by creating structure that screen reader users can navigate. Do not use bold, underlining, color, or a larger font alone to imitate headings. Instead, use styles. The title, heading 1, and list paragraph styles have already been applied to the appropriate text in this activity document. Now, let's modify those styles and watch the changes update throughout the document immediately. For example, imagine you have a 15-page document and decide that you no longer like the color of the headings. If you applied a heading style consistently, you do not need to change each heading individually. Simply modify the style once, and Word updates every heading that uses that style. At the top of the page, select CARE Approach Implementation and apply the title style. Modify the title style to use Arial, 26 points, and a dark contrasting color such as dark blue, text 2, darker 25%. In paragraph, apply center alignment and use paragraph spacing 6 points before, 25 points after with single line spacing. Next, modify the heading 1 for the headings what CARE means, applying the CARE themes, and learn more and complete URLs to links in this document. Use Arial, 16 points, purple, left alignment, and spacing 18 before and 6 points after. Identify the 4 CARE themes. The image key beneath the image identifies the 4 themes and their locations. Upper left, caption everything. Upper right, alt text for images. Lower left, reader support. Lower right, easy to read. Because the image key is regular word text, users can resize, search, translate, and access it with assistive technology. Leave it beneath the image. Change the image key text to 12 points with sufficient contrast, such as dark blue text 2 darker 25%. Add alternative text and mark decorative content. This applies to the Apply the Alt Text for Images theme. In the Accessibility Assistant pane to the right, select Missing Alt Text. Enter the text, four-part graphic illustrating the CARE approach in the text box. The alt text identifies the image's purpose without repeating the theme names and locations in the image key. With the image selected, choose Layout options and ensure In Line with Text is selected to support a predictable reading order. Now select Save to save the alt text entry and layout option. The Accessibility Assistant automatically selected the blue and orange divider image because it's missing alt text. In the Accessibility Assistant pane, select Mark as Decorative because it adds no meaning. Make the table accessible. In the Accessibility Assistant pane, select Missing Table Header, the first row containing theme and what it means. Select Use First Row. On Table Layout tab on the ribbon, select Repeat Header Rows. The header row helps a screen reader associate each CARE theme with its explanation. Create a real list. Under Applying the CARE themes, delete the typed hyphens next to each item. Select all 4 lines and choose Bullets on the Home tab. Word can now identify and announce a 4-item list. Create a descriptive hyperlink. Under Learn More, cut the full web address. Select the Digital Accessibility Professional Development text, right-click, and choose Link. Paste the address into the Address field. Add the same meaningful text as the screen tip and select OK twice. Meaningful link text makes the destination clear when the link is read by itself. Some students find themselves locked out of being able to click on a link and the page open in a browser. The student may need to copy the full address. If the document has links, a final section titled Complete URLs for links in the document needs to be added at the end of the document. Under the heading, add the meaningful link text and beside it the full URL. Keep the URL as plain, non-clickable text. Word may automatically create a hyperlink after you type a URL and press the spacebar. When this occurs, right-click the URL and select Remove Hyperlink. Correct color contrast. In the Accessibility Assistant pane, select Hard to Read Text Contrast 1. The Accessibility Checker will select the text accessible content supports every learner for you. Out of the 3 recommended darker colors, select the third option. With the text still selected, change the font size to 14 points. Always remember not to rely on color alone to communicate meaning. Pair color with words, labels, icons, or another visual cue. Add a meaningful document title. Select File, then enter CARE Approach Implementation in the title field. This file property is different from the visible page title and helps users identify the document. Complete the Word Accessibility Review. Return to the Accessibility Assistant. Correct remaining errors and review all warnings. Word cannot judge whether every alt text description is accurate, every heading is logically ordered, or the content is clear, so a human review is still required. Close the Accessibility Assistant pane. The document now supports all 4 themes. The caption video supports Caption Everything. The image has alternative text. Headings, lists, links, and table headers provide reader support, and readable formatting supports easy to read. Video captions. This supports the Caption Everything theme. Video captions. All instructional videos must include accurate captions to ensure accessibility for all learners. Using YouTube. Upload your video to YouTube to take advantage of its automatic captioning feature. Do not rely solely on YouTube's automatically generated captions. Always review the captions carefully and correct any errors in spelling, punctuation, timing, or spoken content before sharing the video with students. Using Brightspace. Brightspace allows you to record and caption videos directly within the platform. Videos recorded in Brightspace are stored in the Brightspace Media Library, making them easy to organize and share within your course. Review and edit the captions after they are generated to ensure they are accurate. Using Camtasia. Camtasia provides tools to record, edit, and caption videos. Videos created in Camtasia can be saved locally or uploaded to the storage or hosting platform of your choice, providing flexibility for sharing. Before publishing, review all captions to verify they accurately reflect the spoken content. Best practice: regardless of the platform you use, always review and edit automatically generated captions. Accurate captions improve accessibility, enhance comprehension, and help ensure your course materials meet accessibility standards. Save an accessible PDF. Whenever possible, provide the accessible Word document as the primary version. If a PDF is also needed, select File, Save As, and PDF. Select options and confirm that document structure tags for accessibility and document properties are selected. When available, select Create Bookmarks using headings. Select OK and Save. Do not use Save as PDF or Print to PDF because it can remove accessibility information. Check the PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Select all tools, prepare for accessibility, and check for accessibility. Review failed items and manual checks, including the title, reading order, alternative text, table structure, contrast, and language. Whenever possible, correct problems in Word, create a new PDF, and check it again. Adobe Acrobat's Accessibility Checker may flag duplicate hyperlinks when the same URL appears both as meaningful linked text and as a full URL at the end of the document. Under Complete URLs for links in this document, keep the URL as plain, non-clickable text. Word may automatically create a hyperlink after you type a URL and press the spacebar. When this occurs, right-click the URL and select Remove Hyperlink. Do not remove hyperlinks from meaningful linked text. Only remove the hyperlink formatting from the full URLs listed at the end of the document. Closing. Thank you for watching. The CARE approach helps us remember 4 accessibility themes: caption everything, alt text for images, reader support, and easy to read. For more training, visit the Digital Accessibility Professional Development website. Remember, CCBC is breaking barriers with digital accessibility.